when the iOS 18 cleanup tool is not visible on an iPhone. There are several possible reasons for this issue. One reason may be that the iPhone model being used is not compatible with the feature. Currently, only specific models, including the iPhone 15 Pro, iPhone 15 Pro Max, iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, iPhone 16 Pro, and iPhone 16 Pro Max, are eligible for the cleanup tool. Another reason may be that the iPhone is running iOS 18.0 instead of iOS 18.1, as the cleanup tool is only included in the latter version, which is currently in beta. Additionally, the cleanup tool is not available in certain regions, such as European countries and mainland China, due to the unavailability of the Apple Intelligence feature in these areas. However, users in these regions may gain access to the feature in future updates. If the cleanup tool is still not visible after installing iOS 18.1, it may be because the feature is still downloading, and waiting or restarting the device may resolve the issue. In rare cases, a temporary bug or system glitch may be the cause, and contacting Apple support or restarting the device may be necessary to fix the problem. The cleanup tool is only supported on iPhones with AI capabilities that utilize Apple Intelligence, which is why it is limited to specific models. If none of these solutions work, it may be helpful to check the device's compatibility and wait for future updates that may expand the availability of the cleanup tool.